Okay, I'm just going to give you a run through of the Android app for power and storage. If I just launch the app from the home screen of the device, we're greeted with the login screen. My details are already entered, so I'll tap login. And then we're directed to the home screen of the Power and Storage Android app. Here are the main sections of the app. We have Browse Families, we've got the featured products, we have Solution Builder, and also the most common trending terms within the app. And we can swipe between the tabs of the featured products, like so. So now we're on the Power section of the featured products. We can swipe to the Storage featured products, and finally the Software featured products. We can also tap between these if we wish, and it does the same job. If I rotate the device, you should see the layout change as the orientation has changed. Browse Families is over to the left, and the remaining sections are scrollable on the right. So dependent on the user preference, that's available. I'll go back to Portrait. We have a left pane navigation available. So if we tap the icon at the top left, this pops out and we can access other sections of the app from any page within the app. So we can jump to these from anywhere. We can close it by tapping on the screen. This can also be brought into visibility by dragging from the side, dependent again on user preference. So the next section I'll show you is Browse Families. If I pull in the left pane and tap through to Power, this takes us to the Browse Families page with Power tab pre-selected. This contains all of the family groups that we'd like to browse through, so we can browse through Storage, we can go to Software as well. And these family subgroups expand to reveal all of the families associated with this subgroup. So if I go back to Storage, expand Enterprise, we see we have 3 families here. I'll tap through to one of the families, and this brings us to the Family Details page. If we scroll down, we see we have the overview tiles for this family, we have the list of models related to this family, we have competitive analysis links, and also the related documents in the form of technical documents and also client testimonials. And finally, we have all of the associated links for this particular family. If I scroll back up to the Models section, we can choose one of these models, tap through, and this gives us the details for this chosen model. Similarly to the family page, we have the description, image, the overview tiles, and again associated sub-documents that might be available for this particular model. Another way of looking for models and features is by using search. This is accessible from anywhere in the app. In the top navigation bar, if we tap the search icon, this brings out the search text box. And if we do a search, for example for Blade, this brings us to the search results page. We have 237 results for the term Blade. At the top of the list we have the models, and then further down we'll have features. But we're after one of the models, so for example if we were looking for this particular model, we can tap through, and again we're brought to the details for this particular one. And you can see this is an example of a model that doesn't have any competitive analysis documents, so you can see the section isn't visible. And another page type to show you is the bundles, and this is accessible from home. So we're on the featured products tab for bundle. We can tap through to a bundle, and this gives us the breakdown for this chosen bundle. And that's all of the sections of the app I'd like to go through today. Thank you very much.